Now, this illustration deals with your wiring, say, in raceways, cable trays, and cables. In accordance with NEC 504.30, A as in Apple 1. Now, notice we're illustrating a cable tray containing intrinsically safe circuits. And notice the intrinsically safe circuits shall be permitted to be placed in raceways, cable trays, and cables. And then we have exceptions where the cable has an insulating type jacket, such as MC or AC cable, where they can actually be routed with your power conductors in the same tray. Notice that intrinsically safe circuits of separate power circuits, they're not allowed to be installed in the same cable tray together without they're the same type of circuits, without they have an insulator that separates those cables from other cables such as MC, AC cables, and so forth. So our figure 4-23 illustrates when cables of intrinsically safe wiring could be installed in raceways, cable trays, and cables with other conductors in accordance with NEC 504.30, A as in Apple 1.